For this course, I have created an imaginary dataset with the help of ChatGPT. The dataset is about a group of fantasy characters, as well as their items and inventories. I then proceeded to load this data into BigQuery, which is our SQL system. I also loaded it into Google Sheets, which is a spreadsheet system similar to Microsoft Excel. This will allow me to manipulate the data visually and help you develop a strong intuition about SQL operations. I'm going to link a separate video which explains how you can also use ChatGPT to generate imaginary data according to your needs, and then load this data in Google Sheets or BigQuery. I will also link the files for this data in the description, which you can use to reproduce this data on your side.